Personal Finance Crash Course, Financial Independence and Early Retirement. Introduction. Financial independence and early retirement are dreams that many people aspire to achieve. The idea of being able to retire early and have the freedom to live life on your own terms is enticing. In this crash course, we will explore the concept of financial independence, share inspiring stories, and provide you with a comprehensive list of techniques to help you achieve your goal of early retirement. Section 1. Understanding financial independence. Financial independence is the state of having enough wealth and assets to cover your expenses without relying on a traditional job or income source. It provides you with the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, spend time with loved ones, and enjoy a fulfilling life. Achieving financial independence requires careful planning, disciplined saving, and smart investment strategies. Section 2. Inspiring stories of financial independence. To ignite your motivation, let's dive into a couple of inspiring stories of individuals who achieved financial independence and retired early. The Frugal family. Meet Mark and Sarah, a couple who embraced a frugal lifestyle and prioritized saving and investing. They lived well below their means, avoided unnecessary expenses, and invested their savings wisely. By the age of 40, they were able to retire comfortably and pursue their passions. The entrepreneurial spirit. John, a young entrepreneur, started his own successful business and focused on building passive income streams. By diversifying his investments and maximizing his earning potential, he achieved financial independence at the age of 35 and now enjoys a life of freedom and fulfillment. These stories demonstrate that financial independence is attainable with the right mindset, dedication, and strategic planning. Section 3. Top 12 Techniques for Financial Independence and Early Retirement. 1. Create a budget and track expenses. Start by understanding your income and expenses. Create a budget to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back and save more. 2. Save and invest. Develop a disciplined saving habit and allocate a portion of your income towards investments that generate passive income over time, such as stocks, real estate, and index funds. 3. Reduce debt. Pay off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt and loans, as quickly as possible. Being debt-free is a key step towards financial independence. 4. Embrace frugality. Adopt a frugal lifestyle by prioritizing needs over wants and making conscious spending decisions. This will help you save more and reduce unnecessary expenses. 5. Maximize retirement contributions. Contribute the maximum amount allowed to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. Take advantage of employer matching programs and the tax benefits of retirement contributions. 6. Build multiple income streams. Explore different sources of income, such as side hustles, freelance work, or rental properties, to supplement your primary income and accelerate your path to financial independence. 7. Continuously educate yourself. Invest in your financial knowledge by reading books, attending seminars, or taking courses on personal finance and investment strategies. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. 8. Establish an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your savings as an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. This will provide a safety net and prevent you from tapping into your long-term investments. 9. Optimize tax strategies. Understand tax laws and explore legal ways to minimize your tax liability. Consult with a tax professional or financial advisor to develop tax-efficient strategies. 10. Plan for healthcare costs. Factor in healthcare costs when planning for early retirement. Explore health insurance options, such as health savings accounts, HSAs, or private insurance plans. 11. Develop a retirement withdrawal strategy. Plan how you will withdraw funds from your investment accounts during retirement to ensure a sustainable income stream that lasts throughout your retirement years. 12. Regularly review and adjust. Monitor your progress towards financial independence regularly and make adjustments as needed. Economic conditions, personal circumstances, and goals may change, so adapt your strategy accordingly. Section 4. Summary. In this crash course, we explored the concept of financial independence and early retirement. We discussed the importance of understanding your financial situation, shared inspiring stories of individuals who achieved early retirement, and provided you with a comprehensive list of techniques to help you on your journey to financial independence. Remember, financial independence is a long-term goal that requires commitment, discipline, and smart financial decisions. Start by assessing your current financial situation, setting realistic goals, and implementing the techniques outlined in this crash course. With perseverance and a proactive mindset, you can take control of your financial future and enjoy the benefits of early retirement. Poem. ChatGPT. In the realm of finance, where dreams unfold, we embark on a journey of stories untold. A crash course awaits, knowledge to acquire. About personal finance, we aim to inspire. Let's delve into the realm of wealth and goals, where financial independence takes its tolls. With every step, we'll pave the way to a future where freedom holds sway. Imagine a tale of diligent saving, where fortunes are built, not by craving. A frugal lifestyle, a key to success. With each penny saved, we strive to progress. In the world of stocks and investments so vast, opportunities arise, they're there to be grasped. From bonds to real estate, diversify your wealth and secure your future with financial health. But amidst the excitement, risks do reside. Caution and knowledge must stand beside. Through research and analysis, we'll make our stand, navigating the markets, guided by a steady hand. Now, let's uncover the secrets and tricks, the techniques that aid in this financial mix. Setting goals with purpose, a compass to steer towards a brighter future, ever so near. Budgeting and tracking, foundations so strong. Building habits that last, where discipline belongs. Reducing debt, a burden relieved. Freedom from financial stress achieved. Maximize retirement contributions, a wise endeavor. Harnessing the power of compounding, now and forever. Multiple income streams, a safety net to create. An abundance of wealth, a life to celebrate. Plan for taxes, for they come without fail. Seeking legal ways to minimize the trail. And as healthcare looms, prepare for the cost. Protecting your well-being, never to be lost. Regular reviews, adjustments we make. Adapting our strategy, no room for mistake. For the journey to financial freedom is not set, but with resilience and flexibility, success we shall get. So, let this crash course be your guiding light. Illuminate your path, shining ever so bright. With knowledge and wisdom, you'll chart your way to a future of prosperity, come what may. And as you embark on this financial quest, remember the power that lies within your chest. For with determination and a steadfast will, your dreams of financial independence, you shall fulfill. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.